Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to quickly explain to you how you can make the integration between Outgrow and Convertkit. So Outgrow basically enables marketers to create personalized content like calculators, quizzes, assessments, recommendations, polls, chatbots, giveaways, and surveys. So these high converting and viral widgets add real value to the customer, enable new levels of engagement, and generate helpful data that you can use to qualify leads. And if you just head on to why Outgrow and why interactive content, you'll see that these apps really increase your conversion rate, decrease the bounce rate, and increase the social share option that we have. So once you are on the examples page, you can see a lot of pre-mates that are there, and you can choose your industry from here and preview the templates that are there. So once you like the template, you can just edit this template and make the little changes that you want and use as a content piece. Or and of course you have an option to build the content piece from scratch. So I'll take you to the builder where you can see all these content types. So when you hover onto these, you can see what are these content pieces generally used for and the examples that are there. So I'm here to show you the integration. So I'll quickly take you to a content piece. And this is a calculator here. So you can, this is a real-time template and you can change the question type that is there, add media, add images, add the result. And then once this is done, you can move on to configure tab, integrations, native, and search for ConvertKit and then activate this. So my account is already added, but if you're new, you can copy your API key and your email from here and then paste it on Outgrow. And then you have options of proceeding with forms or proceed with segment. I'll come to the segment part later and I can go and proceed to map the fields. So I'm quickly choosing a form here and you can choose it according to what you have in your ConvertKit. Select and continue. And now I can map all the fields that I want to pass the information to ConvertKit. So let's just say email. So I search for email and there are other parameters too, like the UTM parameters, the country, IP location. So there's a lot of information that the Outgrow experience collects, right? And so you can pass all the information, the questions, answers, outcomes, results to your ConvertKit account. Once this is done, I'll map two fields for now and then test the connections. So once this is done, we seek the step 3, which is a double opt-in option, which means that if you select double opt-in, you will be able to allow the user to select the option of either receiving emails from you further or not. So if you want that, you can toggle on the double opt-in option and your lead will not go to ConvertKit if the user selects no here. Once it's done, you can finish it. Now coming to the segments part, if you want to pass, so there's a lot of information that Outgrow collects, right? And if you do not want to pass all the information, you can go to Analyze tab and then move on to User Details. You'll find all the details collected, all the leads collected here and the answer that they select. So you can just add a filter, say you want to select location. So you can have is not, contains. So I select United States for example. So it contains United States, and then we'll be able to see the only leads that are from United States here. So this is one segment that is created. And now if we go on to the configure tab and then proceed with segment, we can do that. So the United States segment is created. We can save the segment. And now from the integration, we can proceed with segments and then map the fields. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out at questions@outgrow.co or just click on the right hand side button and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you.